So hello friends, welcome to Intron YouTube channel and the next session of learning Python with the Intron. In this video we will see what is a function and what is the syntax for the function definition and function call. So don't worry guys, this is a quite easy and interesting concept in the Python, that is function definition and function calling. So now first of all we know what is a function. Function is nothing but it is a particular set of the code which is written only once and can be called again and again to perform the task. So let's start from the basic syntax of function definition. So here we use the diff to define any kind of function. So diff, after that you should give your function name. So here I am giving my function name as func name. You can give any name. After that round brackets, and after that colon, and whatever the content I want to write in function definition should be written after giving the one space from the left side, so that our compiler understands that whatever we have written after the space from the left side is in our function. So here I will give first as print welcome to Intron, and second string should be also written after the space because I want this also should be in my function. So print it's easy concept. This is my second string. So here I have defined a function. So now I want to call this, so we can directly call it by its name. So here I'm calling like function name, and now let's run our program. Let's check one. Now let's run it. So here you can see here is our output, that is, wait a minute, that is welcome to Intron, and it's easy concepts. So you can also call, like you can assign it to particular value, that e is equal to function name. You can call it in this way also, it's fine. So welcome to Intron, it's easy concepts. So now we will see what in the case if you want to pass the particular parameters to our function. First of all I will erase this code. I will create here new function, that is I will define function name, and I will perform simple basic. I will define one function that performs the operation to find whether the given number is even or odd. So I will, so first of all I will call the function. So while calling the function I will pass the parameter in the round brackets. So parameter first I want to give is 3, and secondly I want to call for this my function for 4. So here for the 4 I am calling. So here this value which we are passing should be assigned to something. So here we are assigning it to our x variable. Now let's perform the operation. So first of all let's print the value which is being passed. Print the value is, let's print as x here. Now let's perform the operation. If x mod 2 is equal to 0, it should give an result like it is an even number, like even number. And else part we should write here, else it should print odd number. So let's get here this. So our program, first of all program call will go from here, and 3 will be passed, it will be received at the x, and first of all we will print the x value. So this everything whatever we want to write in the function definition, we have given the space from the left side because to let the compiler know that this all comes under the function definition. And after that we have checked the condition, that is we have used that logic for finding the even number or odd number. Now let's run this. Name is not defined, has got some error. Okay, here we should do C, because here we have used C. Now let's call it again and see the value is 3 and it is odd number. Yeah, right. The value is 4 and it is even number. So in next video we will learn how we can return the values, and what in deeply we will see how the function works with the different kinds of example by passing the multiple values. So don't worry guys, it's easy concept, and even if you think it's difficult, we are here to make it easy for you. Don't miss our next videos, it's going to be quite interesting as well as important. So thanks